Hey guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you must have read from the title, today I'm going to be sharing some bestseller products from Nykaa. Now I have body care products, skincare products and a little bit of makeup as well. Now this one is not really going to be a Nykaa haul because ये जो सारे products है ना मैं काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. मतलब कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स में थोड़े टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स में काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट ये सारे ही ना अपने अपने कैटेगरीज में बेस्ट सेलर्स, टॉप सेलर्स में आते हैं. So I was, just very excited about this video. I've never done a video like this in the past, when I show you only bestseller products and give you my personal review. So I thought it's gonna be a fun video to do. And by the way, I know you guys love my Nykaa hauls. I'm gonna bring a Nykaa haul as well, very soon. But for now, let's get started with today's video. Now, the very first product for today's video is a very interesting one. It's a pretty unique product because even for me, I've tried this product for the very first time. So I have with me these two foot socks. Now you guys must be wondering कि ये foot socks है क्या and why the hell is she showing this to us in the video? It's summertime right now. Yes, I know. These are not like your regular socks which give you like warmth. These socks are basically for dry, cracked heels, okay? Now for any one of you who has seen most of my videos would know that one of my pet peeves is like dry, cracked heels. I cannot tolerate that on myself or on anybody else. मुझे ऐसे soft and nourished, moisturized heels and feet बहुत पसंद है, खुद पे भी and दूसरों पे भी. So I keep experimenting with such products, जो मेरे feet को soft and nourished and moisturized रख सके. So I came across these particular foot socks on Nykaa, and these are from this brand called Mountaineer, and these were in this beautiful like baby pink color, which I absolutely adore and happens to be one of my favorite colors ever. So these socks basically like have a silicone gel kind of situation in the heel area. So basically this silicone gel is what you will place on your heel, and this gel has jojoba oil, olive oil, vitamin E. So all of those things na overnight जब आप इसको पहनोगे इन socks को, all of those things your feet will seep in and will feel moisturized and hydrated. Now guys, trust me, मैंने ना कुछ दिनों से religiously, like about 3 weeks से religiously I've been putting foot cream, and then I've been putting these socks and sleeping, and whenever I wake up in the morning, trust me, my heels really feel very moisturized and soft. So for me, I think it really deserves to be a bestseller product because it really does what it claims. It gives you very soft and moisturized heels. So if you guys have like a dry feet, dry heels wala problem, then I think you should definitely go in for these Mountaineer foot socks. I think they're really good. Now coming to the price, the MRP is rupees 700, but I definitely got these for around 480 or 490, definitely under rupees 500. So if there is a sale or something, nothing like it, but yeah, they're really good and a very innovative product. This is like an additional step to your foot cream, so I think you should definitely try it out. Next up, I have a cleanser. Now इस cleanser की बात मैंने कुछ videos पहले ही की थी. I was telling you that I've never tried this out, but I'm going to try it out really soon. And yes, I have it. I have tried it for around 3 to 4 weeks now, and I've really loved using this particular cleanser. So what I have with me is the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Now this one is one of the most hyped like face cleansers in recent times, and I think it really deserves to be so. It is also one of the best sellers. It is also a recipient of the Best in Beauty awards जो Nykaa का होता है 2024 में. This had gotten that award. So it is basically very similar to your simple face wash, to Cetaphil face wash. Like the texture, the consistency is very similar. It's like a very gentle gel-like consistency, and for people who have dry skin, this is an amazing cleanser. I really love using it. Like on days when my skin feels really parched and dry, I love going in with this cleanser. Now this one comes with hyaluronic acid and ceramides, so I think it's really good for cleaning your face properly as well. Now I understand that this might feel a little expensive for a few of you, but I think if you guys are looking for like a gentle cleanser specifically, then I think Simple will do the job just right for you. उसके बाद अगर मैं कहूँ मिड प्रीमियम कैटेगरी में ये आ जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल बॉटल ऑफ 88 ml, बट इसका एमआरपी है 315 रुपए. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ लिटिल मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन सिंपल बट लिटिल चीपर देन सेटाफिल, सो समवेयर इन द मिडिल प्राइस वाइज. बट आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दीज 3 क्लेंजर्स आर रियली अमेजिंग. तो आप लोग आपके बजट के हिसाब से डेफिनेटली इसको परचेज कर सकते हो. बट कमिंग टू द बेस्ट सेलर कैटेगरी, आई रियली फील लाइक इट डिजर्व्स दैट tag because it really is good, and I can see why so many people have purchased it and why so many hyped and good reviews about it on the internet, because it truly deserves them. Next, I have a shower gel with me. This is the shower gel that I'm using currently, and this one is from Nykaa from their Wanderlust range. This one is the French Lavender Feels Wala variant. The fragrance basically is of lavender and cedar wood, and it's cruelty free, paraben free, and also vegan. Now this is what the shower gel looks like. I think this was also there pehle, but they have most likely changed the packaging a little bit. Everything else remains the same. Now I really like this shower gel. I think I don't use a lot of shower gels from Nykaa usually, because earlier when I used kiya tha and I was not very fond of them, but I think they've either changed something in the formula or something, because these have become really nourishing and moisturizing. Pehle jab maine use kiya tha, these did not seem to be that gentle on my skin. I'm really enjoying this particular body wash right now, this particular shower gel right now. Now the smell is absolutely amazing. It has a very calming scent of lavender, and if you guys watch my videos regularly, you would know how much I admire the smell, the fragrance of lavender. I absolutely thoroughly love lavender, and I really like its smell. It's very calming. It's very therapeutic. Whenever you take a shower with this, you know, you will really feel like a therapy. You will really feel like coming out of a spa. The feeling is like that. The feeling is really good. So yeah, I love this particular shower gel. Yeah, it's for $3.99, but I got it for rupees 333. So I think this depends on the sales. Yeah, I mean the prices are very dynamic. So don't quote me on the prices, because like you know, the prices change every single day based on the sale. But it's a very good shower gel. Do try this one out. Alright, next up let's talk about a makeup product. Now I have with me the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. Now basically I love this mascara. I tried using this from last year, kuch June July ke aaspas, I think very close to the launch. I started using it and I love it. I love this particular mascara. The best thing about this mascara is that it will not make your eyelashes clumpy. I don't like that effect, and I'm sure कि nobody like from you all who are watching this video would like a very clumpy effect on the eyelashes. तो आपके eyelashes ना ऐसे चिपक नहीं जाते हैं once you use this. All the eyelashes are, you know, they stay individually, which is really great, and also it doesn't smudge. So in case it's like very hot and you're going to like a party or a wedding, it will not smudge, which is really important for a mascara. Now of course L'Oreal mascaras are not very inexpensive like the ones that you get from say a Lakme or a Nykaa. So this I think is close to around rupees 900, which also I think is a great deal, because you get a really good quality product, and I can understand why this is in the bestseller category, because it is really a very good product. Like most of L'Oreal's makeup products, I think it does a fantabulous job. Like I said, doesn't make your eyelashes clumpy and is not going to smudge, and it's also waterproof. So really good mascara. You guys should definitely try this one out. This one is not really a skincare product, it's more of like a skincare tool. So I have this set of face razors for women from Bombay Shaving Company. Now I have used these face razors from other brands like Sirona and some other brands as well. I can't recall the names right now, but I always used to think that Bombay Shaving Company would not be making products for women. Why would they be making products for women, right? But obviously I was mistaken. They do make products for women, and I completely love their face razors. I've been using these for a while now. I think they work really well. They're very precise, and you will obviously not get no cuts and anything. So these are good for like your upper lips, your eyebrows, your chin, basically your forehead. You can use this literally anywhere on the face, and yeah, very good quality. So it's a set of 3, and you would get it for somewhere around rupees 200 or 250 depending on the sale, which is amazing. This is what the razors look like. You can see how they look. They come with this plastic cover to protect like your fingers from getting, you know, basically injured. So I think really nice tool, and I can see again why it's a part of the bestsellers list, because I think for rupees 250 you get 3 face razors, which is great, because this will last you a long time, because we don't need to like use this every week or every day, right? So I think once in 10 days, 1 in 15 days is great depending on your hair growth, and yeah, I completely love this one. All right, next up let's talk about a body mist. I have with me the Bare Vanilla Cashmere version from Victoria's Secret. Now recently I have heard a lot of influencers talk about this particular body mist, and you can actually say that this is one of those products which the influencers influenced me to buy, because I was seeing it do the rounds like on everybody's videos. Alright, now primarily it's a floral and a vanilla fragrance ka combination. So it's more of like a patchouli fragrance with vanilla. I'll of course place the note somewhere. Now coming to Victoria's Secret body mists, I think I have used Bombshell Passion. I've loved that. Bombshell Seduction is very, very good. So compared to those, I didn't like it that much because those fragrances I found better. Coming to longevity, वो भी long lasting नहीं है and ये भी long lasting नहीं है. So I think if you ask me personally, I will probably not repurchase this. I will go ahead and repurchase the Bombshell Seduction, Bombshell Passion versions because I love those as fragrances much more than this. And of course, like I said, even those are not long lasting. So if a long lasting fragrance is what you're looking for, this body mist is not it. But if you're like fans of vanilla and you want to try something unique in vanilla, then you can definitely give this one a shot. This is priced for rupees 24.99, but I got it for rupees 1800. There was a sale going on recently, so I had picked it up during that sale. The packaging and everything will look great on the vanity, but I think as a fragrance, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan. But yes, it's one of the best sellers when it comes to body mists. So I think, like I said, if you're a vanilla fan, then you should definitely give this one a shot. So I'm a vanilla fan, right? I love vanilla oriented fragrances, which is why I don't hate it. But like I said, I'm a little biased towards Bombshell Passion and Bombshell Seduction only because I've used those prior to this. So, in a comparative manner, I think I'm going to really gravitate towards them. But like I said, if you like vanilla, do try this one out. Next up, I'm going to talk to you guys about 3 makeup products back to back. I think I love these makeup products, and for any beginner, for any college goer, or for anybody who's starting out with makeup, these 3 products are gonna be super, super helpful because I love using each one of these. Now, the first one is this CC cream from Lakme. I have spoken about this on my channel for at least 500 times by now because I adore this product to bits. I don't know why people don't talk about it as much. It's a really, really, really good CC cream. I have tried other CC creams from other brands once in a while, but I've always been disappointed, and I keep coming back to this one because this is that product now. If you are in a hurry and you're not looking for full coverage, you're just looking to look presentable, this is a fantabulous CC cream, also under a budget. Like, you will get this for under rupees 350. It's a really, really good product, and it's very easy to blend as well. Like, you can quickly blend it with your fingers. No beauty blender, no brush required for this. It's a very easy peasy product for any college goer, any beginner, like I said. The next makeup product that I have and I really, really want to share with you all is this colored kajal from K Beauty. Now, I use their kajal, like the normal kajal as well, which is in the shade Spade, the black, the normal usual color. But ये उसी range का है, but ये दूसरे color में है. I think this shade is teal, yeah, teal shade mein hai. Now these kajals are, very, very matte and pigmented. It's very easy to apply, like you can see. So today I'm wearing this particular shade only. I'm not wearing the black shade. I'm wearing the teal shade right now. So I think it really gives you like an edge. Like you can see, I'm wearing this very normal white top today, so I thought ki wo black kajal kyun pehenna hai, let's wear the teal kajal and jazz it up. Also, I was doing this video, so I was like, let me just wear it and show it to you on the camera itself. So yeah, this one is the colored kajal from K Beauty. And the next makeup product which I wanted to share with you guys very, very eagerly is this creme blush from K Beauty again. Now this one is in the shade Rosy Romance, which I think is such a beautiful shade. I love this, and I can see why it's a bestseller because it's a very, very pigmented blush. I'm going to show you like a swatch in a while. And also I feel like it's very, very buildable. So let's say you're going to like a wedding or a party and you want to jazz up, build up the look, you could do that. If you are just going for like a shopping or like a coffee date, you can just keep it very minimal. So it is dependent on you कि आपको ये blush को कैसे use करना है, which is like really, really nice. So this is what the shade looks like. Like it says, it is Rosy Romance. It's like a very soothing pink shade, like you can see. It's a very, very nice blush for the summer season. I think you can just wear like nice colorful floral dresses and just pair it out with some blush from K Beauty. So yeah, I am a fan of this formula. Once I started using this creme blush from K Beauty, I have not really experimented that much with like blushes. I haven't gone in for those powder blushes and this blush and that blush because I have this in my vanity, and this does the job absolutely perfectly well. And yeah, I would again say that whoever of you is like beginning their journey in makeup, या बहुत टाइम नहीं होता आप लोग के पास मेकअप करने के लिए, आई थिंक ये 2-4 प्रोडक्ट्स अगर आप रख लोगे ना आपकी वैनिटी में, आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी रियली रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू एंड यू गोना बी थ्रू। आपको बहुत 50-60 प्रोडक्ट्स रखने की जरूरत बिल्कुल नहीं। बिफोर आई एंड टुडेज वीडियो, वन लास्ट प्रोडक्ट, दिस वन इज अ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट एंड आई हैव टू शो दिस टू यू बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बेस्ट सेलर प्रोडक्ट, सो हाउ कैन आई नॉट शो यू दिस वन। I have with me the Skin Radiance Mask from Foxtail. This is something which every single person is talking about. I've been using this for a while and आप देख सकते हो मेरे लाइक टब का कंडीशन, बिकॉज मैंने इसको इतना यूज किया है कि कंडीशन इसका खराब हो गया है। सो लेट मी शो यू, इसमें ज्यादा बचा हुआ है नहीं, सो वेरी सून इन माई एम्प्टीज वीडियो ऑल्सो इट्स गोना गेट फीचर्ड अगेन। सो या, आई completely love this. I enjoyed using this a lot and I can see why it's such a like best seller and why everybody keeps raving about this one, because this is a really really good face mask, you guys. Of course when you apply it you're going to look like an alien, but once you take it off, I mean your skin but better, you know, so much better. बहुत ही अच्छा हो जाएगा आपका skin. It will give you that glow, makes you feel like very fresh. It's a very good face mask and I think you're gonna get it for rupees 480 or 490 on sales, somewhere around 500 on sales. And like you can see, I've used it so much. I've literally used and abused it and I'm a complete fan of this. And I really use a lot of, like, I try out a lot of clay masks and different kind of face masks, and one of my recent favorites would definitely be this one. That's all about today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, leave your beautiful comments down below. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.